Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using 3 of these small plastic candy jars from Dollar Tree. I'm painting them with sage color chalk paint by Folkart, giving them full coverage. Now I dry them with my heating tool, but I put it on low and I make sure to not leave it in one spot too long and not to get it too close so it doesn't melt the plastic. And then once they're completely dry, I'm adding these snowflakes to them. I got them from Amazon. They're just over an inch. I'm taking Mod Podge and I'm applying that to everything that I painted. And I'm adding a little bit extra to one of the flat sides of the candy jar and placing down the snowflake. The snowflake will attach to the Mod Podge and stick to the candy jar. Next, I'm taking this gray and white twine that's also from Dollar Tree, and I'm wrapping it around the top part where the lid would normally go. Wrap it around a bunch of times and then make a bow in the front and just cut off the excess from the tails. I do that to all 3 of them. Next, I'm taking this sign that I also got from Dollar Tree and I'm removing those raised letters. And I pulled off too much of the paper trying to get that letter off of there. So normally I would have just painted over it, but it was uneven and it would have drove me crazy. So I removed most of the paper and sanded it down. Then added on these round knobs from Hobby Lobby, hot gluing them to the bottom where I had removed that paper. And then take Barnwood color acrylic paint by Folkart and paint the entire thing with a couple of coats. And it is a bit of a plastic material on the frame, so the paint tends to peel off. So once it's dry, I do cover that with a coat of Mod Podge as well to seal it. Once that's completely dry, I set the candy jars on that and then fill it with some greenery. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.